Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Swetha, and I have a new video for you guys. This is a product review and it's the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. So it's been a while since they launched this product, I guess. I'm not sure, but then I'm trying this for the first time now. I mean, not for the first time. I've been using this for a while now. And my sister recommended this for me, and she says that it's really good, and her skin is glowing after using this for a very long time and all that. So I tried it out and it's really good, you guys. So I just wanted to review this to you guys and show you the demo of makeup removal and all that. And I have a full makeup, I have a full face of makeup. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what they say is this is even for sensitive skin. So it removes makeup, cleanses and soothes the skin, and no rinse off. That means you don't have to wash the face after using this. So are you a very lazy person, then you might need this because you know, after a long day, when you come back home and you're really lazy to remove your makeup and go to bed, you can always use this. They say that it just goes in one swipe. Yeah, they say that it's good for face, eyes, lips, and no perfumes are added, dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested. So it's safe, and it contains 125 ml, and this retails for rupees 175, which is quite okay. And what they say is micellar cleansing water. All-in-one micellar cleansing water that purifies and removes makeup in one gesture. That is one swipe. That's what they are saying. So the skin is perfectly clean, soft, and looks healthy after this. That's what they are saying. And the directions are: apply onto face, eyes, and lips with some cotton pads without rubbing. No rinsing required. So okay, so that's what they are saying, and comes in a bottle like this. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle like this, which is cool, and it's not glass, so it won't you know, break or anything. So it has a lid like this. When you open this, you will get the product right here. Make sure when you close it, you have to press it really tight so that it's closed. I have waterproof mascara, I have waterproof lipstick, that is liquid lipstick, which is really hard to remove. So let's see. So I'm just taking this cotton pad and I'm just using 2-3 drops of it. So what they say is you just have to keep it on your eyes like that and press for a while, and then without rubbing, just take it away. That's what they say. So I'm just keeping it for a while, and then let's see. Okay, it's pretty good. See? Wow. Okay, but the mascara is still there, the eyeliner is off, the foundation is off, the eyeshadows are off. So let's see what's gonna happen if I do that again, because okay, now the mascara is also gone. So now we have a clean eye. And now I'm gonna take off the eyebrows. Okay. And now I'm gonna take off makeup. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now let's remove half of the lips. Okay, see this? This is not so bad, you guys. It's really good. See? The whole lipstick is on the cotton pad. And now I'm gonna remove the whole thing because I look stupid. Guys, so I guess this product is a big thumbs up because it's for 175 rupees. It's really good. So because as you saw, it's really easy to remove makeup. The only complaint I have is just it won't go in like one swipe, as they say in the advertisement, because you know, they always exaggerate in the advertisement. But when compared to other makeup removing products, this is much better, and it's very easily available in India, and it's affordable as well. For 175 rupees, it's worth. And yeah, if you're one of those lazy people, you should try this out. If you're struggling to remove makeup every day, you should try this out and let me know how it worked for you. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll be posting videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.